31,400 subscribers. That's exactly how many email subscribers this brand has gotten in the last 27 days. And in this video, I'm going to tell you the exact strategy we use to get this much email subscribers. If you're wondering who am I, my name is Abdulaziz. I'm one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where we basically take brands and scale them through meta ads, SMS and email marketing, whole website optimizations, and like just the entire backend of the brand. Everything you're going to need either just starting or you need to scale past 6 figures to 7 figures. If you want to work with us, just apply using the link below and we can hop on a call with you and see if you're a good fit for us. Alright, so the first thing I gotta do is go to Meta Ads Manager. Go to Meta Ads Manager and then click on create. Just create right there and click on leads. I noticed a lot of people when they're running like pre-drop ads, they go for traffic or engagement or awareness. But that is going to get you email and SMS subscribers. But those subscribers are going to be very, very low quality than leads. Because leads, Facebook is optimizing for subscribers. You know how much you're spending to get a lead, which means a subscriber. You know how much you're spending. So number one, it's very easier to make data-driven decisions. You get so much better, higher quality type of leads. And it's just better for you at the end. So just click on leads. Click on continue and then it's going to bring you right over here. Then just name the campaign. I'm just going to leave it as it is and then go for campaign budget, and here you're going to go for leads. Don't touch anything. And then campaign budget, and then for the budget we're going to go for $50 for this demonstration. Basically for leads you can go for anything that's like $20 to $50 above. $20 to $50 above depends on your budget, but I recommend you don't do anything less than 20. And then do this and then go to the ad set level now, and then I'm going to name it lead pack 1. So lead pack 1, choose your pixel, and then conversion event should be obviously lead, and then just keep on going and going and going and going and going. And then audiences, click on further limit the reach of your ads. Click on switch setup, and then I usually like leaving my campaigns all broad because Facebook is going to choose what works the best. It's all about testing, so you test and know what works and what doesn't work. But for this particular brand, we're gonna go for 18 to 28. I'm gonna go for 18 to 28. Make sure you get rid of this and then keep on. And you're going to go for Advantage Plus placements. Facebook will decide the type of placement to go for, like which one will perform the best. It's going to bring you right over here. This is just a bug for this particular account because I don't want to leak one of my clients, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Like I'm just going to ignore that, and then here I'm just going to go for use existing post, and then turn off multi-advertiser ads, and then this is the most important part, the form. This is where we create the form. This is where people sign up. This is where people submit their number. So you click on create form and then name it SMS sign up form, and then put in the date, February 1999, put in the date, and click on more volume right over here, and then turn this off, turn that off, and then go to intro. And then I'm going to, like for this particular ad account, I'm going to turn this off and then go straight to questions. Alright, and then it's going to bring you right over here. So here we're going to incentivize, we're going to like put in the offer why people should sign up to your SMS list. Why should people sign up to your SMS list? I'm going to put it right over here. Name it get exclusive this, and I'm gonna go get early access and exclusive discounts up to 20% off. Alright, so this is a very crazy offer. Like I literally test this like a lot. This is the only offer I use for pre-drop ads, and I've obviously run a lot of pre-drop ads. My agency has run a lot of pre-drop ads, but this one performs the best. Like we've tested literally all type of offers that you can think of, and this one goes the craziest. Get early access. They get early access, and also if you want this to work, you must promote scarcity and fear of missing out in literally all your videos. Like make people think they're going to miss out and they need early access to even get their product. They should have the fear of missing out. So get early access and exclusive discounts. Your discounts are exclusive. You written it that your discounts are exclusive, up to 20% off, up to, which means up to, maybe they can get like, or they can get 20% in the future. So that doesn't mean you have to like go and give them 20% on the first sale. You can just give them a 10-15% off, like on your SMS blast, because it said up to doesn't mean you get it for sure. So just do that, bro. And this offer print like crazy. Tested this like a lot of times. And then like scroll down, you can play with the offer, but this one works like crazy. So use this, and then right over here we're going to get rid of the full name because we don't need that. That is just friction. And then I'm going to do this. Like, I really recommend you get both email and phone numbers. Like email and phone numbers, that's more data. You have more data of your clients, so you can do email marketing, you can do SMS marketing, you can do both. So have everything, and then make the emails optional. This is just to reduce friction. Make them optional, as you can see, and put in phone numbers first because they're the most important ones. So we have this up already. I'm just going to turn this off. You can have this turned on, but your website is going to be password protected anyway, so you don't even need it. So this, and then description, you can visit our website or exit the form. Now I'm just going to leave this as it is, and then here I'm just going to put in the US, because this is after we've gotten that information, so we don't really give a fuck about them anymore because we already have that information. As you can see, this is how the form is going to look. And the reason I like doing like lead forms is because it's so much less friction. Than people having to go to the website. And one good thing about sign up forms is Instagram Meta autofills the phone number, like autofills the phone number, so it's going to get autofilled, and it's easy for customers to like subscribe because everything gets autofilled and they don't need to do a lot. And then we have the sign up form ready, and then right over here we're going to I'm just going to go for any random creative. All right, then this is another important part. I just chose a very random creative, as you can see. And for the private text, you can just write the same thing. Exclusive discounts up to when we drop. And then I'm gonna write a simpler one. Dropping soon, very limited drop. This is a more organic one. Like it's very good to have like organic primary text too, and then the more professional primary text. And right over here, sign up to our VIP list, exclusive discounts up to. Then you can just write the up to 20% off. Boom. And then right over here, my Wi-Fi has been crazy slow right now. I don't know even if it's off. Right over here, you click on sign up. All right, boom. We have the we have them ready. So like after you start running the ads, you're probably wondering, what you do is you just go to like anything you're using, either Postscripts, but if you're using Postscripts, try to do it like 2 days before the draw, because Postscripts, they have to review like the subscribers first and make sure like they're actually yours. So make sure you do it like 2 days before the drop. And then if you're using Omnisend, you can just go ahead and upload it on drop day. It doesn't really matter. Klaviyo too, you can just upload it on drop day. Like just upload the subscribers, and that's it, bro. Then that's how we fucking got this crazy amount of like email and SMS subscribers. If you want to work with my agency to help you scale your brand and like literally run all your backend systems, like we have brands doing 6 figures, like crazy numbers right now. It's Q4 right now too, so just apply within the link below and we can get straight to work. Peace.